Hello everyone, welcome to PST. Today, I'm here to introduce you our hydraulic core drill. This core drill has been in market for a while and a lot of projects has been using. That's why a lot of my friends and customers is asking me why I never do a proper introduction of our core drill. So now, today, I'll be here to introduce to you our hydraulic core drill. As you can see, this core drill, we have two. This giant size. This size smaller. For this one, we are able to core up to even a diameter of 800 diameter. So far, for this core drill, we have cored to the depth of 60 meter by one of the projects, and this can go up the diameter of even up to 2 meter, and depth for this one so far is 40 meter. So now for these two, other than you can see, it's not only the power different, of course the size is different. And yes, you can see over here, we are using the standard for this machine is 1 1/4 A rod, where this is using a bigger diameter of A rod track. And for this one, we are able even to customize for your project needs. So, my friends, I welcome you for all your inquiry, because at PST, we are precise, we have solution for you.